Ryobi 1 Plus Electrostatic Sprayer. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus cordless 1-gallon electrostatic sprayer is the one device that allows you to spray water-soluble disinfectants, cleaning solutions, and the lawn and garden chemicals with the convenience and freedom of battery power. You can spray up to 30 tanks with a single charge, and the convenient backpack design allows comfortable operation. The holster design provides you the chance to handle either left or right hand, and the 3-in-1 adjustable nozzle selector permits you to choose from multiple spray patterns. All you have to do is simply turn the nozzle to select between low, medium, and high. The low settings facilitates you to spray 65 microns up to 2 feet, and the medium setting will help spray 85 microns up to 5 feet. It comes with a considerable price tag, but totally worth it.